So, have you ever seen something on Facebook Marketplace and thought, I want that, but not at full price? Or maybe you're wondering how to send an offer to get a lower price. Is it even possible? Today, I'll show you how to send an offer on Facebook Marketplace in a very easy steps and get the deal that you want fast. Anyone can do this. So first, go ahead, open your Facebook application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the Marketplace option, which is between the Reels and the Groups option in the top of the screen. Now, once you're in the Marketplace, find the item that you want to make an offer on and scroll down and you'll get four different options that is visible in this screen, which is alert, send offer, share, and save. Tap on send offer option, which is between alerts and share. Then select your price. For this item, it's 85,500 or 95,000 or 99,750. So I'm going to go ahead for 10% lower. You might also get the option for offer a different amount. Tap on different amount, then type in your price and set it. After that, tap on send offer. Remember that your offer is not a payment. Purchase details are arranged later with the seller. So that's all there is to it. Your offer will be sent to the seller in just a few seconds, and after sending it, you'll see a message sent to seller notification. To view your offer, tap on see conversation, and this opens Messenger where you'll see your message with the offer. The seller will receive your offer and can accept it, decline it, or start in chat to negotiate. Sending an offer is a great way to save money and start a deal on something you really want. So that's how you send an offer on Facebook Marketplace quickly and easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.